when the lecturers are on strike, there are no classes. Eh? And you miss even 1 week of classes, it affects the students' performance. We say the lecturers cannot be paid because there is no money to be paid. And yet, there is money to be given out as empowerment. In fact, it was an irony that the teachers go to State House to be given handouts, and the classes are empty because the children are not there. There is no capitation. We want to condemn that. This is all corruption. This is corruption. Money has been taken from education to be given out as empowerment, which is actually bribery, and yet the lecturers are out of classes. Those are among the things we don't want, and those are the things we want to eliminate in the next government. There is voter registration that is going on. We continue to appeal to the young people to come out in large numbers and register, so that come 2027, everybody has a vote, everybody has an ID, so that we can all vote. One other thing I want to talk about is the privatization of Kenya Pipeline. Privatization is not bad as such. When it is done properly and it is done transparently and competitively, there's nothing wrong with that. What is wrong with the privatization is when you get that strategic assets like Kenya Pipeline are being disposed in a manner which is not transparent. We want to appeal that things be done in the right way, so that strategic assets are disposed to a majority of Kenyans. We don't want them to be disposed to foreigners who may not have the same interests as Kenyans in this country. So what we are not happy about is the way it is being done. Yeah? If it were done properly, so that the Kenyans are given the first priority to own those assets, then we know that what Kenyans worked for all this while is still in the hands of Kenyans.